Hello folks, welcome to Randy's Travels. My name's JT, and look, this is our first YouTube video. So pretty much this YouTube video is going to be about our travels. So myself, my wife Natasha, plan on doing a bit of travel in our new Caravan when we finally get it. The history has it, we normally had a four-wheel drive MDC sort of camper trailer. Been all the way up to the Western Australia, all the way up to Broome, up to the Cape, across the Gib, back down to Perth. So we had it for about 6 years. Opened and closed it many times until the last time we went down south about a year and a half ago. And look, folks, I opened it up, did a bit of camping overnight. Woke up in the morning, it was raining, and we had the two dogs with us. We had Mib and Mav, which is a boxer and a pug with us. I was like, look, babe, you go jump in the truck. I'll go ahead and I'll start packing this thing up. So I started packing it up. When I was packing it up, I bent one of the poles at a 90-degree angle, and that is all that she wrote. So as we were driving back up to Perth out of Margaret River, I pretty much told her, I said, babe, that's all that we wrote. We're buying a Caravan. So here we are right now, first week of January. We should be getting it probably in the next 2 weeks. And so we've sold the MDC camper trailer. We sold the 2009 Toyota V6 Hilux that we had, that we did many journeys, many camping trips, many miles, many adventures with. We've done all that. Purchased a 2025 D-Max Blade and purchased a Snowy River SRT20 Caravan. So it's more of a hotel on wheels, Taj Mahal as you call it. So we should be getting it in the next couple of weeks, and we'll be doing videos on the setup of the actual D-Max. So I've got a couple accessories in there. I've got a Darsh Eco awning, 180 awning. I've got that in there. I've got a set of Max Tracks that I'm going to put up there, and we actually have a portable Starlink that I'm going to put up on top of that roof rack too. So there'll be more videos to come, just on couple installation bits and pieces that we're going to put up on top of that roof rack, as well as the Caravan when we get it. It's going to be, we'll take a video of it all stripped out when we originally receive it, and we actually have been collecting stuff for a good year in the spare bedroom of the house that Natasha has a plethora of items that she is going to make that Caravan our portable home, which I am thoroughly looking forward to. I am over setting up the 10 poles, jumping around for 20 minutes while my fine wife sat outside with a beer just waiting for me to get out, and you're all hot and sweaty. And I said, baby, it's your time. Jump in there and make the bed. And those days are over. Now it's nothing but turn a key, open up the door. We got the Taj Mahal on wheels, and we are ready for adventures.